I'm Andrew Dicely. I'm the General Sales Manager of Van Horn in Manitowoc. We are a very Jeep-centric new car dealership. We obviously do a lot of business in used cars, but I think the staff is most excited to be involved in the Jeep culture and the Jeep life. So I would say we're a Jeep dealership before we're a truck dealership.
I'm Robert. I'm a Jeep guy. I currently drive a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. I got the rock slide rails on it, along with the Dix Epic 33 Max Country tires and 17-inch fuel rims on it. We do hear a lot from customers that they do like to come here because of our selection that we do have. We have a very wide range, anywhere from more of your base model sport, pretty much having the right accessories and features that we have in the vehicles that we order, all the way up to the Mojaves, as well as the ones that we do customize ourselves.
My name's Heather. I'm the Assistant Service Manager here at the Van Horn of Manitowoc. I'm a Jeep girl. My Jeep, I picked it because it was red. I wanted to look more rugged. Once I get a lift kit and bigger tires, this will be a perfect Jeep.
Almost all of my staff drives Jeep. We're as involved in the Jeep culture as we possibly can be.
I never really was a big off-road guy, but now going on the trails and stuff, just digging the tires in, you really get a sense of adventure.
I have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator in Hydro Blue, blue being my favorite color. I haven't really done too much with this one.
My first time on the trails, I kind of took a little too aggressive, going through some of the puddles and stuff, bottomed out the front suspension and kind of bounced it off the ground, but my wife had a blast doing that.
I'd never driven a Jeep, never rode a Jeep. My husband brought home a '09 Commander, drove it, loved everything about it. Being up high, felt like I was in a monster truck.
Oftentimes when you're dealing with Jeep people, or Jeeple we like to call them, it just comes naturally to be a part of the conversation of experiences that you've had. Sometimes it's just about showing a couple of different pictures of things that you've done that got you into some trouble, you got stuck, and sometimes it's one of those things that you get to laugh about. Or other times it's where you mispronounce something on a Jeep, like a winch.
I guess they don't really tell me much of their adventures, but you can tell by the dirt and debris on some of the Jeeps that they must go somewhere and have fun.
Prior to having my Gladiator, you never really notice how many Jeeps are out there, but living here in Manitowoc, there is a lot of Jeep Wrangler owners. Honestly, most days on my way to work, it used to be, you'd see 7 or 8 people you're waving to, doing a Jeep wave to them. Jeep wave? Yeah, you go like this, I kind of go like this.
Sometimes they just say, do what you think looks awesome, but we've done enough of them that we can go, these are some of the things that we've done that have worked for us in the past. And then when we pair that up with what the customer wants to do with their vehicle, oftentimes we land just a custom build on its own. What kind of look are you going for? What do you want to pop? What do you want not to pop?
They really have a good tiered process for putting accessories on. You can start with these tires, or if you want bigger tires, you can go with this lift kit and these tires.
As a company, as a store, we've earned the production of Jeep here. Before, we would only get 1 or 2 Wranglers at this store. We were more of a Grand Cherokee store. But through the experience of getting people to order out cars with us, people that are big-time Jeep people in the area, now we have one of, if not the best Jeep supplies in the state.